Hi guys, I'm Shivangi Sarda and welcome to Weekly Market Watch. Now, Happy New Year and wish you abundance in 2024. Before we move ahead, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for timely updates. We've seen that Nifty has moved in a rather range-bound manner throughout the week, and it did touch its key retracement level of 38.5% near about 21,500 zones. But then again, bulls were active at these levels, and we've seen again a pullback move as we have concluded the week. So, week on week basis, Nifty has been making higher highs, higher lows from the last 9 weeks, and the trend it seems to continue. But then again, we formed a small doji candle on the weekly frame, so which suggests that upside might be a little bit capped, but then again, supports are quite strong, so we would see a upside towards 22,000 zones. Now, on the support side, 21,500 would be a key support to watch out for. Talking about Bank Nifty, we've seen that this index has moved in line with the broader market, and there has been some action from the PSU space, which is aiding the market. So the next level to watch out for would be the recent lifetime high of 48,636 and then 49,000 zones, with a support near 47,750 levels. Now, India VIX has been inching lower from the last 6 sessions, which suggests that volatility is lower, so some swings are there within a smaller range in both the indices. But then again, we need to understand that this is just the start and we would see a good up move in the rest of the January series. Sector specific action, we've seen some strength in IT and pharma names, but then again they have fizzled out towards the end of the week. What have remained strong and what will remain strong for the next week to come is real estate space and some of the textile names as well. Some of the pharma and consumption names are also showing some strength, which can be looked out for the next week. So this is it, and see you next time.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.